Hello boys, how are you? Today we going to study about cell. This is our chapter 1 that is about cells. And we have two kinds of cell. One is plant cells and one is animal cells. Now our lesson 1.1 that is about plant cells. Now in this lesson, first of all, these are some keywords that we must be know. First is cell, then cell membrane, cell wall, cellulose, chlorophyll, chloroplast, cytoplasm, and some limitations, magnify, mitochondria, nucleus, and sap vacuum. These are some keywords that we must be know. Now we will study about these words later on in detail. Now for this picture you can see, first of all, what is cell? Cell is the smallest part of our organ, any organ, and all chemical reactions happen in the cell. And cell is very small, we can't see with our naked eyes. So for view the cell, we must be use microscope to magnify the cell. Magnify mean we can make it bigger in size and then we can see. Now here some parts of the plant cell. Plant cell have more part than the animal cell. Number one, cell wall. Cell wall have only plant animals, and it is the outer layer. Okay, the first layer of the cell that's called cell wall. It hold the plant cell. It give the cell shape, and it's strong and stiff. And the material that is made of, that is called cellulose. Okay, cellulose is a material that make the cell wall. After that, the second layer that's called cell membrane. You can see here, this is cell membrane. The cell membrane is thin and it is flexible, and it is responsible to control all the things that is going into and out of the cell. This is the second layer. The third part is cytoplasm. That is this one. This you can see this cytoplasm, not blue one. This is this one. That is a clear jelly shape, and all chemical reaction in the cytoplasm. And all cells have cytoplasm. Okay. And the number fourth, that is nucleus. Nucleus is the center. You can see this one, blue one, and the most cells have nucleus, but not all. Most cells. And the main function of the nucleus is to control the all activity of the cell that is inside the nucleus. After that, sap vacuole. Sap vacuole, that is large space that fill in the center of the cell. Okay, it is a liquid that is uh, has a solution of sugar and other substances that dissolve in water. The solution that is called cell sap. Next, we have chloroplast. Chloroplast, it the color of this is green. You can see here. Why the color of this is green? Because it contains chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is a green pigment that responsible to capture the energy from the sunlight for photosynthesis. After that, you can see mitochondrion. This one is mitochondrion. All plant cells have mitochondria. Mitochondria is a plural and singular is mitochondria. And mitochondria is responsible to release energy from the food. Okay, boys, these are some parts that we can study in the plant cell. Now, after that, we go to animal cells. Here, boys, this topic is about animal cells, and animal cells have less part than the plant cell because some parts animal cells don't have, for example, chloroplast, and another is a cell wall that don't have. Look, this one, this you can see, this is parts of an animal cell. It has four parts. Number one, cell membrane. The function is same that I already told you in the plant cell. Cell membrane is a layer that is responsible what the material that is going into and going out of the cell. And then cytoplasm, that is liquid, and all chemical reaction happen in the cytoplasm. Then mitochondria is responsible to release the energy from the cell. And then the nucleus is the part of the cell that is responsible all the activity of the cell. And all animal are made of cells because cell is the basic part of our, and it is too small. One estimate is about 100 trillion cells of in one person. Then animal cells are similar to the plant cell in several ways. I told you because animal cell and plant cell have cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and nucleus. But it don't have sap vacuole. It don't have chloroplast. It don't have cell wall. Okay, boys. These are two things that we study: cell, uh, plant cells and animal cells. Something same in two and something different in two. Otherwise, you study this one. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me the class. Okay, bye. See you later.